कनागनो सुम जंगो गाड़ी को के सुम जंगो गाड़ी को के सुम जंगो गाड़ी को यो हमें दे वंदो kasi le Oli ba han dong to thang pino Hoy am to tharo am da hai wo Masala pun male da jino Sab bijib kamu kudu Ôi mà thằng tay này chính mà tuần đấy này nếu còn cần xong đi xong nó không xong Polisi kamu suka tuh polisi kok. Polisi juga halal. Kapal juga. Marum dan kacang lo. Ibu suka tuh marum ni lo. Masih wah kita hai dia. Kalau saya kau lazy kau truk tadi. Kalau orang baik yang gol kita sana, lamio yang tolak kiri sana te. Kalau aku isi masih kira orang suka ciptang. Neme hai dia deh. Nomor kami nak kono bukan dia pokoknya tadi ni lor kan. Apa wakal kita mind refresh tahu naga dan orang baik ini. Nak apa yang kan nak tahu drone bombing ni. Kalau malam pagi aku isi sport tahu dana boxing knockout championship tahu dana apa sih macam sih nu aina lagi ni tadi kita tahu dana aku isi gumba sana kono bagi kita nasi kai tinggal aja ni mongga nasi si final nu mesti ita thas dana kau tu ta kuki na nomi kau sale atau dana yum na kau sale kono mana kan dah nupi mah mau nah mah lagi hidre makok tu sabsa na pan dana tamna nuai te tamu iswe lagi pilih bagi masa nupi mah aku terpala iswe Ada mata state force ani amazu so ko is maina policy lere aduna matam kharasu hai ro ko ji kharasu kun nga pasing amadi state force kai kasu khara kitang ju alert oina su lai udre aduna maram orga na ngasi ko dong sa ji lawre ado am janing di apoi central force sing jina nga lai tana ko apoi central force sing jina nga lai tana nakalani gi marakta koi lai na maitei dagi ju khut tha birakano aduga koki dagi su khut tha loe na moi nga lai tana promise ta wele Wala mo mapang kuding da dum ko sunu rom da khangde sekmai rom da khangde kautu rom da khangde adegi amma ekta mapang amma da ekta so is this really central forces are protecting us from the cookie illegal immigrants I would like to ask sincerely to the government of India and to all the central forces including paramilitary forces that you keep on promising that you are going to protect the indigenous people that you are in between that you are standing in between Kuki and Meiteis and you keep on saying that please don't fire from Meitei and then we are protecting cookies and we won't allow them to fire to Meiteis also. Is this you are really protecting us? Is this really you doesn't have a cookie to fire the Meitei peoples? The real indigenous people? See, you can hear the sound. They keep on bombing through drone bombing. So is this really under the guidance of SU, suspension of operation, that they are using a drone bombing and they keep on killing the people around here? This is not seen by me. It is not only witnessed by me, it is witnessed by the state forces also. It is witnessed by all the public also. So they have really used today a drone bombing and then they were using a bomb through drone and then they keep on dropping that bomb. Because of that, many people have injured and then we have lost our life. So how long we have to bear like this? How long do we have to bear like this? So if not, please stay away. If not, please go back, central forces. So we will face ourselves. This is a communal war. It is a conflict war between the illegal immigrants and the real indigenous people of Manipur, so-called Meitei. So we will face ourselves. If you are not going to protect us from all this, then we will face ourselves. Please go away. We don't need any central forces around. Sila ay natamjaning yung wapon. Moy nang alay na central forces na may idali ako ay koy ju kapaloy, moy ju kapaloy na hayre. Moy nagtawraga na ako'y gimi pangata hat pa, pangsok ta sok pa, state force mi hat pa, sok pa kaim hay dawa. Then nahan magkaiso moy gi Keno gi general secretary marukok no pa dona hausi pawda central government na su gi ground rule thugai hai gi pot amata yaudri hai na hairak palai tri hai na nan hai Central forces kaya am hat kre Assam Rifle ki BSF ki they have killed many central forces, state forces ki mayam including snipers season organda mayam hat kre, then public mayam hat kre kun ngak jaba mayam hat kre ngasi mokta da su drone bombing sinare drone ji pahalaga drone dugi kano bomb je yaurga thadar aga advain torga drone bombing tor sidi Ukraine Russia Ukraine war da ba sidi UN United Nations na thing ba dugumba yamna danger oi ba yamna kurong thiba sanna ba ya da ba kano mane ba kaisu lai ta ba sigi communal conflict khar sida sigi ketang khana ba China ba sida drone bombing na season ar pasidi India government need to take a very severe and then very strict action against this so-called cookie illegal immigrants and cookie bloody terrorists. This is what I would like to say to the central government. Thank you.